camera settings. So you do this, sound recording, photo resolution, who cares? I'll take photos with this. Video quality, 4K 30, 2K 30, 1080 30, very good. Dynamic watermark, collision sensing low, because I don't want the thing to go off. I don't want the thing to start beeping or whatever it does every time I hit a pothole. Parking monitor off. Parking monitor, I just use my if I want to park the car continuously with this thing, I just use my power bank. Just plug it into the power bank, and I'm good. That's what I do when I'm at work. Anyhow, sound recording. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Wi-Fi name, blah blah. Wi-Fi password, blah blah. Firmware, blah blah. Yeah, format SD card, reset. That's it. There's nothing else here. Alright. Very good. Peztio / Navycrest A1 dash cam. I'm just using a Peztio app. Well, enough for my rambling. Let's get onto some footage. See how this thing works.